Hello guys, back again to this course Golang Microservices full course, and today we will talk about WebSocket. And what is WebSocket mean? It's the communication with a TCP connection, so it's a full duplex communication channel. This is allows client and server to send data each other at any time without open new connection for every message. So this is for live, maybe commonly used for live chat, for real time or live sports score or something like that. So why we use WebSocket for wallet app? In a digital wallet application, user expecting instant feedback. Consider this scenario. For example, someone sends you money. You must, without WebSocket, you must refresh the page or pull the API, and then with WebSocket, balance update instantly on the screen. And for top-up payment succeed, you wait and check manually, but with WebSocket, with notification pop-ups immediately. And then even transfer fail, insufficient balance, you only see it after refetching history, but with the WebSocket, error thus appears in real time. So this will make us not refreshing or something without WebSocket. So HTTP polling versus WebSocket is HTTP polling, which is inefficient. Client, any updates to the server? No. Server call to the client? No. Client asks again, any updates? Server said no. Then any updates? Server, yes, here is the data. So repeats every n seconds and was bandwidth and server resources. But with WebSocket efficient, we only persistent connection, and then you receive $50 or something. This is push instantly, no calling again, because if we use HTTP, we might be can calling every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds, every second. If let's say, that's not a good way to do. And then when to use WebSocket versus SSE versus polling. So HTTP polling is direct client to server. This is low frequency update, best for every 30 second plus. And then for SSE, which is servers and events, server send to the client one way. This is for notification, live feed, simpler than WebSocket. But for WebSocket, this is bi-directional, chat, live dashboard, collaborative editing with a like docs, google.com, something like that. This may be use WebSocket. And then for gRPC streaming, this is also bidirectional. This is for internal service to service streaming, but we have a service to service streaming, but also need to have this one website, trow.io. Let me see. If you can see, we have something here. Service to service is called service A to service B. This can communicate with WebSocket. No, not WebSocket, sorry. This can communicate with gRPC. So here to here. Wait, and then here to here again. Here, this is go back. This can use gRPC, and yeah. But how about service to client? Maybe client, mobile client, front end client. Like mobile client can be web app or mobile app. So how to do this? We use WebSocket now. We can use WebSocket. This is pretty the same with the gRPC. This is bidirectional, so both of them can communicate. actually is to communication. Yeah, this one send and accept, yeah, with the WebSocket. So we can try to do this right now. But actually the easiest part is, if you want to WebSocket easier app, is actually chat app. For example, I think chat app can be maybe chat app, yeah. To chat app, use left chat application, yeah, something like WebSocket is used. So if you send to the if you send, imagine this is user A to user B chatting hi, and then hi including ting ting ting, yeah, with a notification or something, the app is using WebSocket. So in here in this course, when you have already implemented the WebSocket, you can use this WebSocket to the application like chat app. That's why I add this today. Okay, so we can try right now with just want to add this inside app.env example. For now I have already inside the new branch. Okay, then here I add something like localhost your app.com, then this is allowed origin letter for WebSocket to communicate. And then after that, what I want to do, I should have add inside config dot in the shared config here. Well, better I put here in the bottom. Then I add a wrapper here, and then actually I add the message type in the WebSocket folder. I create WebSocket folder here, WebSocket folder in the shared, then message type types.go, transfer receive, transfer send, top up, payment, and then ping pong, yeah. Then after that I add models.go here in the package WebSocket, models.go, I think. Then models test.go, better if we create a new file, we create a new function, we need to create the test file as well. But I think we something miss in here app. But okay, then we check in the models.go is to JSON, and then this is WebSocket message, and then after that, what is his interface can be replaced by any, so I change to any instead. And then yeah, any again, and then here I add new WebSocket, new Redis notification payload, and then from JSON to JSON should be fine. I go shared here. I think that should be done. So before, I think I want to go to the API gateway here, so I initialize the WebSocket here inside main.go. What is this API internal here? cmd main.go. I will delete this one. This is folder unused. Okay, and this is 62, I think. The second 62 here. I just remove this one. WebSocket from API internal WebSocket, yeah. And then this one WebSocket endpoint, this one is 164. this one I think can be here. Allow origin RDB get WS WebSocket and by registered at WS. Not registered. Redis is required for token blacklist checking. And then here is Redis subscriber, new Redis subscriber, start and background here with a new hub. So I think I need to add the logger again here before closing Redis connection. This is inside 234 I think here, yeah, maybe after shutdown here. Stopping WebSocket Redis subscriber should be stopped. So we still have an error because we need to create the internal WebSocket here. Internal WebSocket inside API gateway. So what we have to do right now, I think I need to create a client first. Client file. Let's go. So this is basically we need to quick fix here. Go get package. We need to go get package Gorilla WebSocket, where then the command and cosm will be updated. And here I add the right here. What is this hub? Hub is few problem. Wait, hub is I think this one. This file later we add. So this is read pump. We set read limit and deadline. Set Pong handler and deadline. Yeah, we just write and read. Add write and read for this. This is write message from the send channel to the WebSocket connection. It runs in a go routine and handle writing message from the send channel, sending periodic ping frames to keep connection alive, and then gracefully closing the connection. And then we add the handler again here. Okay, the handler right now here in the WebSocket as well. WebSocket handler .go. This one actually WebSocket handler for allow origin. Now it is one if have allow origin, we need to check first. Allow origin is from the config that we have in the share, and we put in env. Then here like return extracting the GWT token, and if no token then we should be return unauthenticated. Then validate with type, and then this one is context background for checking if the Redis is revoking the GWT token that we sent. So here start and write coroutines which is read and write for the client that we have already created in the last file. Then after that I will add the handler test package here, handler test file here, basically a lot. Okay, handler test .go. Okay, just a test here. No, nothing much there. I add hub again. I add hub this now, hub.go. So this is to checking with if we new hub, yeah, just return the extract, yeah, and then this one is for running the hoops main loop, yeah, hubs, sorry. Then this is to connection, existing connection for WebSocket. So this is send to user, function to send to user, and then this is get connection counting. Then this is user connected, just to checking if has an active connection. And then after that we create a hub test, yeah, for now test. Wait a second, this is here, hub.test.go. After that is not in your command file. Yeah, later we add a command ID, and then I just create a Redis subscriber. This is for the notification as well. Redis subscriber, Redis subscriber.go. It's just only new Redis, and then start, and then handle message and reconnect, and of course the stop. Yeah, the last one. Okay, it should be start begins listening. Is this has retry mechanism? Let me check with an AI. Is this has retry mechanism? I forgot to change. Yes, it does have, but its critical bug is causing infinite recursion via mutual recursion between start and reconnect. Okay, between start and reconnect. Flatten way. This one need to be for the function start. I need to change. Okay, this one. So okay, I think start in here has a bug. They said we just change here to this from the AI. Then I add the test as well. Let me check if test is working. After this, I do make the ID first and then make test after that. Okay, ready subscriber test. Go. Okay, what happening here? Do I need to reconnect? Is unused, quick fix, so delete. Wait, this actually add the reconnect. Wait a second, I will try with another AI first, not the Sonnet, but I want to try with Flash 3.6. I'm not sure this is good idea, but I think I need to check because reconnect is not used. Is this has retry mechanism and has bug or not? Let me verify with Gemini. Actually, it's better use Sonnet, I think. Yeah, but let me check. While waiting, I want to what here? I want to just see the microservice make ID. Let me check here. Is there any error? Has retry? Yes, but flaw via reconnect has bug. Yes, recursive call stack overflow leak. Redis connection handles no retry on end timer. I see. So this is has the error, I think. What is WebSocket mean here? WebSocket internal. Okay, done. Please fix then. I was fixed this, and is it okay? I think later we'll do. So close the right for now. Ready subscriber here. Start is creating with sleep back off and remove the function reconnects, and then I allow this one first with a make test. We do make test. So yeah, I think I just try to implement new function start and remove the reconnect. Yeah, this one is I think good for now. Then we move on to notification service. Yeah, here in notification service, I think I need to create the WebSocket as well, the function here. Sorry, the file here with this publisher inside notification service. Where is that? Internal WebSocket. Yeah, here WebSocket. I create publisher.go. Here save shared WebSocket. Here should be fine. This is the just publish notification and new Redis notification payload. This one is from the WebSocket here inside shared, and then transfer consumer is a lot. Yeah, I think I just want to copy, no problem, just scroll and scroll, or you can add you can ask AI to do this. It's up to you. Here I think I create a file transfer consumer. Go. Basically this one WebSocket, yeah, WebSocket. Not here but in some consumer. Sorry, I move to here. Okay, transfer consumer. Actually does ensure connection with a retry. Yeah, this one is retry mechanism, should be with the backup as well. And this one is starting, and then process message initiated ini handle transfer settled. Then this one just send to the email, I think send email, and then publish the notification and handle transfer settled. This one. You could use text switch on, replace with text switch. Case, yeah, this one failed. Yeah, we change to the switch case, and then if failed, just an email that the transfer failed, and then it is retry. This is that letter, and this is clean up connection. Okay, then in the consumer, I think I need to add this one in the consumer payment consumer. Yeah, here I think okay, should be fine. I add the WS publisher in that email sender, and after email sender here, then just do something like this. Okay, I think I need to make sure like something like to make it more readable. I'm sorry. This is the end. Yeah, in the end, I think okay, should be fine. I add this WS publisher here and send notification here of in the connection marks process 300, I think. Yeah, marks process in here, process message before mark process notification. Yeah, this one. Then go to the main.go, connects to Redis for web notification here in 33 here RDB, and then we should change the payment consumer here. Where is that payment consumer? Here. So payment consumer should be changed to, should be at this one, WS publish, should be WS publisher. And then what is this? I have transfer. Yeah, I just remove this one and start consumer as well here. This one is email, actually email. After that, this one is declare and not used, so I just add in here, go consumer start, and I add the log closing Redis. This one need to do as well to make sure the close is working fine. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's all. So I just want to make tidy, make test, make build Linux, test is fine, and then docker compose up dash dash d, I think. After this, docker compose up dash dash build dash d. Oh, I see my docker is not working, so I just start again to docker. Okay, this time I think should be fine. So what I want to do is testing. After that, closing to the right. How to test is, I think I just make sure with an AI. Wait a second, I will create the test HTML file here. Later I will delete this one, test ws.html. Okay, this one I just copy from this to this, and I open with Chrome. Is there any Chrome here? Not the editor, but share to refill in folder. I think just refill in folder and just open here. We will send the GWT token. After that, here, wait a second. So first is I need to install WebSocket here. If I don't have one, which WebSocket here, WebSocket, yeah, here, which WebSocket I just install. I need to install expected this one, test payment in the other terminal. You can whatever do with this. WebSocket is to test the connection, but if not, then we just try to test in JavaScript. So first I need to log in, yeah, of course. I will log in here with this access token. I will try to open, disconnected. Is it why this one is disconnected? Localhost is file attempt network. I don't think this one does. WebSocket connection to WS. Okay, let me check again. Failed on news. Okay, let me check here. I got gateway socket. On close, this one should be disconnect, but on message is something like this. I will try with the testing too. To send transfer for now. Wait. I do here to transfer it, I think. Check here. I still got an error, I think, here. I will debug first. I have done debugging, and I think the problem is something like this Docker, which is I need to add a load origin Docker compose, a load origin here, and WebSocket channel inside the API gateway, and then I also need to add the Redis host in the notification service with Redis depends here, and then I have inconsistency here, like where is this the publisher on something that, if you remember, payment success and payment settled has an issue here, so I just change it all, and then here I want to try again with this one. Let me check here. I think, do I have a broken lock or not? Let me see. I want to try again with this one, transfer, and this one to already connected, and I want to test again to transfer 12 and this 12 and this 12 here. Yeah, transfer completed. Your transfer was completed, and then inside this one, transfer completed, I got the notification in my log as well, and this is the example of the transfer notification. Yeah, notification with WebSocket. So WebSocket without any refresh, we still can get the message. But before do that, I start the http test ws.html with the python 3-m http.server 3000, and then I want to change all of the settled or something here. If I have payment settled in test or something, this is should be error or what, I'm not sure. Saving. I will try to remove anything like payment settled and change it to the payment success, etc. Yeah, later. So yeah, I will generate this one first with test is discard. No, not discard, but here I will copy first, and I discard changes, and I commit this one. Change, yeah, this one I will put here. Later I will add in the pull request. And before do that, I need to make sure that please delete all of the settled or completed that still in our code, but only for our project. If from Stripe or etc. outside, don't delete. So here his status is need to create completed to the success, yes, and this is why he also payment settled to payment success. I think this one on it, yeah, like this. Don't I think this one done, yeah, better is still like this, no problem. I just, if the type is no problem, but if the what is this, it's actually same here, right? Payment settlement, payment success. Oh my god, he also do the log as well, then okay lah, no problem. This guy is changing all of the things. yeah, okay lah. To the success only, and then this one only, yeah. And publisher payment success to be settled. This guy is changing the settle to be success. Oh my god, all of this. I think recheck all. I think I'm not sure. Transfer success. How? I think please wait. Wait. If the function name or type struct no need to change, but you only change the stats and logs, no problem. I referred first, yeah. Okay, model he is, yeah, still settled, no problem, but I just want to change only the status. I will push this to the branch and pull back to the master, and you can try to follow, or it's okay. And I think this tutorial is done for now, and thank you. See you in the next video. I have merged this pull rec, so you can try to pull from master. This is additional, yeah. I just inform you that I have already add something here. For example, rename the status. You can follow and then make the WebSocket with the Redis here to exclude the webhook, because we need to stripe can still working, and then also for after transfer cache should be delete, yeah. And thank you, see you next